Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back. So today we're doing this weather kind of set with some croc print and some chrome hearts. Now these tips I got from my local nail supply store, so I don't have a link for them, but they're just regular tips. And they didn't come in clear, so I just ended up getting it in the natural color. And yeah, she's getting short squares, so we're just gonna do that. Now, before I continue, let me just address something real quick. Somebody left a comment on one of my videos and said, "Oh, I want to follow you, but you only do square nails." First of all, it's not that I only do square nails. I record myself on actual paying clients, okay? So, how you mad at me cuz this is what my client wants? Make it make sense, okay? And I was just like, okay, so don't follow me, period. Because one thing about me, you act crazy in my comments, I'm acting crazy back. But no, I really could have went even crazier, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, if you don't like the kind of content I post, or you tired of seeing the same stuff, whatever the case may be, don't follow that person. And the comment was very unnecessary. Just click off and go about your business, okay? So again, I post whatever my client gets. If that's what they want and I decide to record, I'm going to record it. And that's just that, okay? And also, if you've been following me for a minute now, you know that I do not do skinny coffin nails. I used to, I don't anymore. And you don't see that on my Instagram page. You don't see that nowhere on my YouTube except for my old videos. So, baby, are you new here? Because my girls already know. I only do taper square, square. I do other shapes and stuff, but people don't want that. I know I got a couple lipstick shape videos on here. I don't think I have an all stiletto, but nobody books for all stiletto. Nobody. I've been getting a couple almond sets lately, and I recorded one that I'm gonna have posted after this one. But yeah, again, how you're mad at me because this is what my client want, okay? Anyway, square is my favorite shape anyway, so I don't be caring. But yeah, if you don't like it, you don't have to watch, babe. It's okay. But let's get back to the video. I just had to get that off my chest because that was just beyond me. Anyway, yeah, y'all know my little thin layer of clear. I used Mia Secret Dehydrated Mia Secret Primer with my protein blend on top. For some reason, I just like to put the protein blend on top. It's super sticky. And I like when I put the Mia Secret down first. And, I don't know. I just get good results from it. What is this? Oh, this is Too Cute Everyday Nude. This nude is so bum. I've been using this nude more than I've been using Young Nails Cover Pink. And y'all know, I'm a Young Nails Cover Pink type of girl. Anybody want anything new, I'm pulling out Cover Pink. But lately I've been pulling out this one because it's kind of lighter. Cause I find that Cover Pink sometimes is a little dark. And then, like, I got it on my toes right now, and my toes look kind of like, I don't know, darker than when I did it. But yeah, I've been pulling this one out. And I'm using Not Polished monomer, and I'm also using my Not Polished brush. What size is this brush? This is size 12, but I did crimp it myself, so it kind of looks bigger than it. So yeah. In the clear is not polished as well. So yeah, get into it. I do have a coupon code with both of those companies. It's TipTop, and then you can also find it in my description box. So I decided to do the pinky, the middle, and the thumb nude, and she wanted black. Really, she showed me a picture. I don't know who this design is originally by, because the picture she showed me was a picture off Pinterest, and it didn't have the person name tagged. It didn't have a watermark. So if y'all know the original creator, let me know, because I don't know. But yeah, this is not my original design. Let me throw that out there too. But it is super cute though. We did switch up one thing, but I mean, that doesn't automatically make it my set just because I switched up one thing. It's still her set, whoever did it. We just changed one of the croc print colors. But yeah, I had did a set like this a minute ago, y'all. And at the time, it was no type of weather nails out there. And I just did it one day. Like, I just thought of it. Literally, I just thought of it. And then if I can find the picture, well, I'm going to find a picture. I'm going to insert it on the screen right here. And I'm going to show y'all what it looked like. And then I had this whole situation where I was going back and forth with this other nail tech about the design and whatever. Anyway, I'm saying all that to say, when I originally did this design, it was no other designs out there. I'm just saying. But you know, things always make a full circle. Old trends that, you know, was around before we was even born are making their way back around, because everything always get, you know, rotated. But I kid you not, when I searched it before I even did it, and I did not find any nails like that. I'm just saying. But anyway, I love not polished black. It's one of the best blacks I've worked with. It's not super sticky. It's not super runny. And y'all know that's hard to come by. And now I just inserted this clip of me shaping just so y'all can see. When it comes to like short square, it's really not much you can do for real. Most of it comes with the application. So you can see the nails are already pretty smooth, and you know, your application needs to be tip top, okay? Application needs to be on point. And really, I'm just going in and just sharpening everything up. Make sure you go into the sidewalls and have your shape come from the sidewalls, because if you just shape the free edge, I mean, it's still gonna look kind of round. You need to go all the way up to the top. Just put your finger where their skin is, and you know, don't go crazy, go stupid. Just take your time and don't cut nobody, and you good. Like, that's one of the main things people struggle with. They can get the sides right there where I'm at now. They can get that part straight, but where their skin is doesn't look super crispy. Don't be scared to lay that file up in there. Just make sure you don't file their sidewalls away. Definitely don't want to have no exposed natural nail, because that area is going to be the first to lift right on off. So you see how I'm getting my file up there in that corner? That's what you got to do. All right, so get that. And then I did e-file off camera. It's the same thing I've been doing, y'all, since videos and videos and videos and videos. Way back when. I be doing the same thing over and over again. That's really how you get better. You just got to stick with the same technique. Don't change your technique up every day. Yes, I'm talking to you. Have 3 different techniques every time you do a full set. No, ma'am. Stick with the same technique, okay? That's what we're going to work on. Stick with the same technique, and I promise you, you're good to go. Y'all, look how nice this black is. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I want to do my nails all black like this. That'll be so cute. Definitely for October. But now I'm putting on not young nails. Ooh, child. Not polish. Blossom gel, aka blooming gel, and we are doing the croc. So this is the color we swapped out. Originally the picture had like a brown, which I'm pretty sure was supposed to be orange, but since it's on top of black, it looks brown. We opted out in using it and decided to use that highlighter yellow. Then we're just using the sky blue because that's what it was on the picture, and you want to quickly cure that. Now I would say with this blossom gel, it works very fast. So you can do one nail at a time. I would prefer you do one nail at a time, but I don't be having time for that. I like to move fast. But sometimes what could happen is it can bloom too much if you try to do multiple nails at one time. Like if I was to do this whole hand, I definitely will only do one finger at a time. If I was doing a whole hand, I'll just go back and forth between hands. But I feel like doing two at the same time is alright. It's kind of pushing it towards the end. You just gotta make sure they go ahead and put their hand in the lamp. And then also, different gel polishes bloom quicker than others. That blue gel polish is a D&D gel, and y'all know D&D is very, very thin. It's liquidy and thin and runny. So that I use that one second, because that first one is a Valentino one, and that highlighter yellow is super thick. And yeah, it's just pretty much super thick. So by me doing that one first, it took longer to bloom out than the light blue one, which did it quickly because it's a thinner polish. So just know what kind of polish you're working with, and just keep in mind all this stuff like that, so you won't have no complications. Because a set like this, you're already doing so much at once. It's best to not have no mishaps. So let's work smarter and not harder, okay? And the rest of the nails are going to be black French. What I have in my hand right now is actually a Creations black liner, and those are really good. I highly recommend. It's not mine though, I stole it from a coworker, but highly recommend. And now what I'm doing is putting Blossom gel in the spots where I'm going to do the little weather thing. Y'all, I don't know what it's called. I barely watch the news, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm putting white down because if I don't put the white, the colors aren't going to show up as bright, and I need them to be bright. And I'm just going ahead and use that Blossom gel to kind of blend out the edges so the white won't be so harsh. Be careful. Make sure you always wipe the sides, because this blooming gel is very thick. Well, not this one in particular, but blooming gel in general is very thick. And now I have to use blooming gel again, so when I lay my colors, they blend together, so they won't be harsh as well. Alright, now I'm just taking my colors. I'm starting off with blue. I'm just taking my A Galore 4mm brush and just, swiping colors on there. That's like a teal mint color. Girl, that's two different colors. That's like a mint. Then I'm going in with the yellow that I used on the croc. Pretty much just rainbow colors, y'all. I'm going to put red in the middle, and then I'm going to use my orange to try to blend that out. I recently got some liners from Beetles, and when I tell y'all, 10 out of 10. My next video, I'm going to use all of them, and I'm going to show y'all. Y'all really gotta go. Y'all gotta go get them. So you can kind of see the look coming together, and you can kind of see that I'm always making sure that I'm wiping the sides of the nail, because this can get thick real fast. And it kind of did a little bit. Like, you can see the pinky right there, how it's kind of lifted up on the corner. Like, blooming gel is thick. It's going to do that. It'll be all right, okay? It'll be all right. So now I'm going in with my chrome hearts. I do have this in my Amazon storefront. So, and y'all, I found some gold ones too. So go ahead and go check that out. And now I'm just sealing the deal with some top coat. I'm using my House of Rose top coat, and I do go over my chrome hearts because I be scared of them tarnishing and stuff like that. So I do go over everything. And this is pretty much the end of the video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like. Tell me how it was in the comments. We can chit chat or whatever. And make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Nice night, the waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past.